Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to address an important coupling reaction, or in other words a condensation reaction in organic chemistry. This coupling reaction is known as a Mannich reaction, which was first proposed by a German chemist called Mach. Coupling reaction are those reactions which two or more than two substrate are combined or they are reacted for making a new bond, especially carbon-carbon connectivity or carbon heteroatom connectivity. So, such type of reaction are known as coupling reaction. Also, the reaction or Mannich reaction is a condensation type reaction as well. This Mannich reaction is coupling in the first phase and a condensation reaction in the second phase. So, that is why Mannich reaction is a coupling as well as a condensation reaction. Especially in Mannich reaction, three different ingredients such as primary or secondary amine or ammonia react with formaldehyde and a carbonyl compound in the presence of acidic or basic medium, which act as a catalyst for give rise to formation of a product that is known as a beta amino carbonyl compound, and this beta amino carbonyl compound is a Mannich base. Why we call it beta? Because the amino group located beta carbon with respect to a carbonyl group. So, whenever there is the presence of amino group with respect to carbonyl group on the beta position, so such compound will be regarded as a Mannich base. So, this is simply about a Mannich reaction in which three different ingredients combined in the presence of acidic medium for give rise to formation of a Mannich base. This reaction is very important in organic chemistry. Why? Because we utilize Mannich reaction for synthesis of alkyl amines. We also use it for preparation of alkaloids, nucleotides, antibiotics, peptides. Besides, we also utilize a Mannich reaction for making polymers and catalysts, soaps and detergents, pharmaceutical drugs and agrochemicals. So, that is the widespread utilization of Mannich reaction in organic synthesis. So, what is the mechanism for this reaction? Mechanism is quite simple. We need to focus some simple steps in order to get a clear cut realization how the three different ingredients combine and what is the role of individual ingredient, how one ingredient activates another, and how ultimately the compound or the product form. So, here I have depicted a simple mechanism. In the first case, formaldehyde, here I have written that the Mannich coupling or condensation reaction convert primary and secondary amine and two carbonyl compound. Here this is primary or secondary amine, it can be ammonia as well, and this is a carbonyl compound and this is also a carbonyl compound. One of the carbonyl compound does not have any analyzable hydrogen, or in other words formaldehyde or this carbonyl compound is without analyzable hydrogen, where the other carbonyl compound such as this one has an analyzable hydrogen atom, which is very important. We will see the role of analyzable hydrogen in reaction mechanism. So, here this is a simple reaction mechanism in which the first step involves the protonation of formaldehyde. In other words, when formaldehyde is protonated, it is activated for further reaction. In the second step, amines it to the activated formaldehyde. This is a type of nucleophilic addition reaction. Again, the amino compound is added to activated formaldehyde. So, in order to get another activated form. So, here amine adds to activated formaldehyde for giving this intermediate complex. This undergoes sort of transformation. Here the hydrogen has shifted or taken for give rise to formation of this compound. So, this compound ultimately dehydrate to another compound which is known as Schiff base or known as aminium ion. This aminium ion ultimately act as an electrophile in the second phase, which is a condensation phase. So the first phase is a coupling reaction. Just focus once again on the mechanism. The first step involves the protonation of formaldehyde. Once the formaldehyde is protonated, ammonia molecule or amine adds to it for give rise to formation of a complex. This complex reorganizing and re-establish for giving this structure, and this structure ultimately dehydrate or undergoes dehydration for giving an iminium ion or a Schiff base. This iminium ion is known as a Schiff base, which acts as an important electrophile. So this is the first step, which is about coupling, coupling between a carbonyl compound and amino compound or amine. Here the second step involves this molecule, carbonyl compound, which has a analyzable hydrogen. So this carbonyl compound undergoes tautomerism for giving this structure, which is known as enol. This compound is known as enol. Why? Because we have a double bond and a hydroxyl or alcoholic moiety. So such compound or species are regarded as enol compound. So this enol compound ultimately condense with iminium ion or electrophile or a Schiff base. Just I have shown here the double bond. I take this carbon atom of the iminium ion, and this undergoes a transformation of pi electron for giving this compound, and this compound ultimately deprotonated at this point for giving a beta amino carbonyl compound, which is a Mannich base. So this is all about a simple Mannich reaction mechanism. This step is usually electrophilic addition of amine. So to inculcate basic concepts about Mannich reaction, what is Mannich reaction? Mannich reaction is basically a coupling reaction as well as a condensation reaction. It is a reaction between or among three different ingredients, such as primary, secondary amines or ammonia and a formaldehyde, a carbonyl compound which is without analyzable hydrogen, and another carbonyl compound which consists of an analyzable hydrogen. All these three ingredients combined together in the presence of acid or basic media, which act as a catalyst for giving rise to formation of a Mannich base or a beta amino carbonyl compound. Mechanism is quite simple. The mechanism in the first step involves the protonation of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is protonated in order to make it activate. Once the formaldehyde is activated through protonation, amine molecule, whether primary or secondary or ammonia, add to it for giving rise a complex product which further undergo, and at the last stage it undergoes through a dehydration mechanism for giving a Schiff base or iminium ion, and this Schiff base ultimately acts as a good electrophile in the last condensation phase, in which it adds to a carbonyl compound with an analyzable hydrogen. So by this way, the second step is a condensation mechanism and give rise to formation of a product. I hope you have gotten an important information about Mannich reaction. Thank you very much.